Hi, today we will learn Dutch or Netherlands about several words that kind of give influence to Indonesian language or bahasa Indonesia. One of it is this word, bagasi in Indonesian language. Bagasi. There is interesting thing because the original word in Dutch is bagage. Bagage in English is luggage. Luggage, bagage. In Indonesia, bagasi. Or other word for luggage in Dutch is reisgoed. Reis, because this one is reisgoed. One word. Reis itself, it can be translated as traveling or trip or travel. Goed can be good, or in this case it means thing. Reisgoed, thing that you bring when you go traveling or on a trip. Reisgoed or bagage. In English, luggage. In Indonesia, even though the original from Dutch is bagage, but the common one or common words are these ones. Because when Indonesian people use the word bagasi, it's more into car trunk. Even though when I check the dictionary, the Indonesian dictionary, this word bagasi, it has two meanings. One is as the luggage and the other one is as trunk. So originally in Dutch, bagage is luggage. In Indonesian dictionary, also being written as luggage if you translate it into English, bagasi. But in daily conversation, when you say bagasi in Indonesia, it's more into car trunk, or in Dutch is kofferbak. So it's interesting. In Dutch, luggage. In Indonesia, more into car trunk. Even though in the dictionary, both as trunk and as luggage use the same word. But in daily conversation, mostly we use these words for the stuff or thing, or for the luggage, and for the trunk or car trunk, we use this bagasi. That's originally from bagage in Dutch. Kofferbak is from two words. Koffer, as we can see here, suitcase. Suitcase, koffer. In Indonesian language, it becomes koper. So the car trunk is kofferbak. Bak can be translated as container or like a box when you put something is bak, but it's more into container, or the area when you put something. Kofferbak. In Indonesia, we also have bak. It's also from Dutch because most people, well, I don't know nowadays, most people use shower, but before we put all the water from the tap into a bak. Bak is like box, and you put water then there, and then you took it, when you take shower, you took it from a small bucket. So you just take the water from the bag, and then you put the shower on your body with the help of the small bucket. So in Indonesia, this bag is more into container to put water, and it's used when you took shower. It's in your bathroom. It becomes a part of your bathroom. It becomes, yeah. Instead of shower or bathtub, you have bag. But in Dutch, bag can be for plant or plants, and this one is for car trunk. Kofferbak. In Indonesia, bagasi, or if you want to say it with the car, mobil, bagasi, mobil. Suitcase, koffer. Car trunk, or in British English, boot. Kofferbak, one word. And luggage compartment in Dutch, instead of in two words, it becomes one word. Even though it's from two words, bagage and compartiment. Compartment in Dutch, compartiment. Together, one word, bagage compartiment. And this part we will continue in the next video. Thank you.